too scared. You.
Here, let me try it.
Okay, you try.
I'm brave.
They can bit off your finger, you know.
No.
Feed the other bird. Throw it off the cliff.
No. Oh, I wanted to pet him.
Here, I'll feed you pet. Pet, boo boo.
So go grab those.
Throw it off the cliff. Go away.
No.
Flies.
Boo boo, go grab those.
Dad, no. Someone was taking a picture.
They're cute, huh?
Dad, you just stepped on one.
Give me some.
Just give me one. Just give me one.
They're gonna say, yeah, he's gonna
Give
beat,
me one.
he's gonna bite
No
off
one will
your
say that.
Give
finger.
me one.
But
Give me one, boo boo.
fine, get one. Ow. It actually hurts.
No, it doesn't.
Throw it off the cliff.
Give me some.
Ow. It actually hurts.
Be brave.
Yeah.
Throw one off the cliff.
Dad, hold this. Can you hold this?
Watch.
Hold this. Hold. Hold this.
He caught it in the air. Did you see that? Ooh, let's walk down there. What?
I trained him. I named him Goofy. Goofy, take this.
What?
Yeah, his name is Goofy. What's
Goofy?
Goofy? I trained him.
Here, Goofy, catch.
I want
They have,
he just dropped
they
it.
have fountains.
Bruh.
He only really wants you to fit
Catch it, Goofy.
Goofy. Goofy. Catch it. Oh, the wind blowed it. I want a big one to feed him. Take that. Is any-
Goofy's following you.
Goofy.
Come on, Goofy.
He won't do it. He'll just peck my arm.
Just see this, and then he'll do it.
Okay.
No, not on mine.
Why did you follow up?